What up, Tube? We are in Marble Falls, Texas. It's coming up Highway 281. We're about 2 hours north of San Antonio. We're here for the Marble Falls car show on Main Street. So I'm surrounded by a bunch of awesome cars all over. They closed down Main Street all the way through. It's packed. Show's supposed to start at 9 and we got here about 8:30. We're walking towards registration check-in. There's just a bunch of awesome cars everywhere, so we will go look at them after we check in. So the event draws in mostly older muscle cars. We did bring the Porsche out. There's a couple of newer cars parked in the mix. We should have gotten here a little bit early. When we got here, it was already packed. First time doing this one, but here it's a good event. It's, like I said, downtown Marble Falls, small town, right by the, just up 281, Highway 281 here in Texas. So far, some cool stuff. Let's go find it. I know we saw a bunch of trucks just a week ago at C10s in the park, but this is a really cool two-tone brown and cream. Who remembers that show? I do. Growing up as a kid. And check out this cool Trans Am. I'm gonna call this probably late 70s, early 80s, probably 79. See how close I am.
Maybe telling you the paint was almost identical.
1929 Ford Hot Rod. This one's nice. Sitting next to this super nice and very long Pontiac Bonneville Convertible. Love these old 60s, 70s long cars. Interior super clean on this one. Oh, way back. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice big supercharger sitting on this. Well done. It's got the breather tanks with the clear hoses. This thing is all business. It's a Pro Street drag setup. Willwood drag race kit for the brakes. All business inside. Really, really nice Dodge Dart. Beautiful 51 Ford Victoria. Love this color combination. It's like an orange and a cream. So I guess a creamsicle. Nice setup. Super clean on the engine bay. The upholstery is just beautiful in this. Very well done. Nice 56 Bel Air. My wifey was standing next to it. It's like, don't miss this one. She loves these Bel Airs. Check out that pinstriping right there. It looks good. Beautiful car. Nice convertibles. Nice Ford. Check out this purple Challenger. I'm gonna call this like a 69 maybe. Well done, white interior. It's number 69. It's a 70 Challenger. Very well taken care of. See, it's like the main street, so there's all the little shops here in Marble Falls, and cars are lined up, and we're up there somewhere, but it filled up quick. And yeah, this is a nice little local town event. Support your local car events. There's always a bunch. There's always some good ones. Check out this cool little Anglia delivery truck. Very neat. It's a 1948 Anglia Thames. Obviously modified and restored. Very nice. Look, a Lamborghini. Check out this Viper though. Martini liveried Viper rolling in. This thing is super nice. And a cool old Nova. I guess we're gonna build a trike, build it with a big engine.
It's hard enough just to find rat rod around here.
This is a rat rod trike. Very cool. It's a beautiful old Chevy truck. Check out original plates from the 40s. Well maintained. Looks like just a nice surviving resto. Very nice. Beautiful 56 Chevy. I'm digging this color. Hopefully it shows up. My shadow doesn't block it. Done very nicely. All these classic 50s two-tone Chevys. Interior is beautifully done. Oh, that's nice.
That was 6-cylinder.
Beautifully done engine bay.
And to me, when they did it, I was like, to me, it sounds like a souped-up lawnmower.
Beautiful Charger.
Yeah, I won't be having one of those.
Fuel injected with a Holy Sniper system.
I
Wheelwood calipers.
heard a lot of.
It's a 69 Charger. This has always been one of my favorite muscle cars. This one's beautifully done. Check out that interior. Look at that. Black is just well maintained. Beautiful
I had
car.
one for a while, and because of my spine, I had.
If you like C10s, this is a nice C10.
Starting it with a screwdriver.
LS powered.
Start heading the other way.
C10 Cheyenne. Check out that interior, how clean that is. Rhino line in the back. Nice, simple. It's like a real nice driver. Flat black and orange. Hey, it's 1st October, so it's like, you know, Halloween themed. Corvette calipers, nice wheels. 67 Chevelle. Very nice. Love the color with the flat black and the gloss orange interior, bucket seats, front and rear. Very nicely done. Beautiful chop top Mercury, 1950s. Let's take a walk to the back. Very well done too. Looking awesome. And right next to that we got this beautiful gold hot rod. And this caught our eye. This is an awesome bus. VW bus, awesome display. It's got a little engine in there. All the windowless. Look at all those windows. Safari windows in front. Super, super cool. Let's look inside. Look at all that. Very awesome. This might be my favorite car of the day so far. We've still got another 2 blocks to walk, but yeah. Love the color on this Camaro. Firebird Camaro. Or let's call it a Camaro. Actually, here, it's got a sticker on it. Yep, it's a Camaro. Sorry. It's early. I haven't even had coffee yet. But this is a beautiful color. Hopefully it shows up on camera as beautiful as it's showing up in the sun. Loving it. We've seen this one before. It's a 54 Chevy Bel Air. We met this gentleman at Dripping Springs Cars and Coffee one day. It's a original paint car, believe it or not. And the interior is super clean. It's cleaned up a little bit. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful 54 Chevy. Awesome 997 convertible turbo. Because why not have all that power coming in through there with a convertible top? Love this green too. Nice Pontiac GTO Judge 404 Ram there. Check that out. This is really well done. Not in the traditional orange, it's more of a copperish orange with a nice high gloss, but very beautiful. Interior, classic and well done. Very nice car. This thing is cool. Toyota pickup, looks like a 95? No, it's older than that, it's 80s pickup. Definitely got the 80s Trapper Keeper theme going on the paint, I love it. Old school. It's not a mini truck. This really brings me back to the old mini truck days of past. It's actually making a comeback. This is a cool truck. 22R. Love it. Let's look at the inside. Very well done. Check that out. Love this truck. In our way to the last section, the last block. This is where we're at. So how did you get here? Well, not late, but a little later than everybody else. Check out this Camaro. Series blower on it. Awesome paint work. Just a nice, beautiful Pro Street. Beautiful Montclair. Jeez, this is nice. This paint is awesome. White interior. How do you keep that clean? Just so nice. This is cool. Who doesn't like an old bug? Check out the artwork on this paint. It's all painted by the owner. It's just unique and cool. It's got a cool driver. Very nice car. Y'all seen plenty of this car, but right next to us is this beautiful Cobra replica. Very nicely done. It's got the reservoirs for the hydraulics over here, brake, clutch. It's gonna have, I'm gonna guess this is probably a Superformance, just based on the reservoirs, but I'm just guessing. I unfortunately didn't get the Chevelle driving in because we were parking when it drove in, but this thing has got a serious chop to it. Nice big cam under it, just in a beautiful shade of green. Beautiful interior. Awesome car. It looks like one of my dogs. Rat rod, and then hot rod, and an awesome convertible Stingray Corvette. Let's make our way up to the top side here.
I mean, you can't really pick what color.
Beautiful cars. Check out this silver and black here on this Oldsmobile 88. Beautifully done. We're at the top of the block, and this is basically the overflow. Let's see what we can find in this lot. I like old Suburbans, and this one's super cool. She's got this Ranchero and another one. Super nice C7 Corvette. Saw them drive by earlier. Got this one earlier as well. This awesome Viper and the C8 here, and this is cool. Just check out the graphics on this. It's very old school military. Very awesome. Here's a cool Lamborghini. It's got carbon fiber in the engine bay. Got your matching sunglasses in there. Very cool.
Actually, a very funny story.
Love the wheels on this. Very cool car. Nice, simple, but beautiful color paint. Check out the inside. Very well done. Oh, this one's nice. Definitely beautiful. Awesome purple El Camino. LS3 under the hood. Very nicely done. A lot of variety. Digging this Ford F100. Awesome paint job. Looks like it's got don't know what engine. It's obviously a Ford engine, but I don't know which one it is. Beautiful interior. I said mostly classics, muscle cars, vintage, but it is this beautiful NSX sitting here. This is a newer NSX.
Drive from home or did y'all
So there's a splash of newer cars here. This is a beautiful car as well. Awesome. All the way down the streets. Full. Gives you a good idea. We're just gonna stand here. We're gonna say our goodbyes for the day. We're gonna be here the rest of the day. We're gonna enjoy, meet some new people, take you a quick walk around, show you some of our cars, or cars that we like that stood out. So hopefully check out, if you're in Texas, they do this every October, Marble Falls. You see it? It's beautiful. Have a great week. God bless.